路都話我仔係有前途㗎啦。
You have a car in here? Why? Don't go too crazy on this one, Wei.
Inspector.
Away. I'm glad you're here. What do you know about the underground racing circuit?
Well, they drive fast. Occasionally they crash into something.
Yeah, and occasionally they end up killing each other.
Well, that's manslaughter at best.
But these last couple of files don't feel like manslaughter to me. It's got more of a deliberate feel to it.
You want me to check it out?
Yeah. Get into the circuit and see what you can find out.
All right. See you.
Yeah.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You up for a race?
Yeah, sure. Long as you don't mind losing.
Fish balls! I know you like fish balls!
good win. Lucky for you, those Amars kept getting in the way. 1 in a million shot.
You want a rematch?
Yeah, sure. I'll take you.
When you're ready for the big time, let me know. Everybody knows I'm the best driver in the city. Everyone.
Oh yeah? I'll take you down too, hotshot. Just as soon as my car is fixed.
Can I help you with something?
Yeah. Are you Ping?
No, there's no Ping.
How about the owner then?
I'm the owner. I'm just not Ping.
All right, not Ping. I'm picking up hardware for Orange Lotus. You know it?
Orange Lotus? Sure. This is some pretty sophisticated stuff. Sure you can handle it?
I'll manage.
My number's on the package. You need a hand getting slot X into socket Y? Give me a call.
I just want...
Did you get the bug?
I got it.
Look into your heart. Right here.
I got it.
Our surveillance team reports that you should be able to get onto the roof from the construction site next door. Whatever you do, don't let them see you planting that bug.
No shit.
How'd the bus thing go?
Good.
We can fight, huh?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
Hey, don't try that shit. You got something to say, talk.
你聽我講啊 It's too easy. This guy comes out of nowhere. Just the dog guy is pressing.
Hey, I'm getting some noodles from the kitchen. You want them?
Sure. Why not?
What kind?
They're fucking noodles, Vincent. Whatever's back there.
I kind of feel like pork.
Forget pork.
You want pork too?
你搞錯啊
You okay?
No, I'm in big trouble. I really need your help, please.
What's wrong?
It's this.
A gun.
Yes. Charlie made me carry it in my purse for him. He didn't want the cops to find it, so he made me take it. And now he's gone, and I don't know what to do with it.
Charlie. He's one of Dog Eye's people, right?
Yes, and you took over, right? So in a way, the gun is yours too. You'll take it, won't you?
Sure, I'll take it. That's it? That's your big problem.
Yes. Thank you so much, Wei. I knew I was right to trust you.
Don't worry, Tiffany. I'll take care of it.
Thanks, Wei. You're the greatest.
Hello?
Raymond, I got something.
What is it?
Something for ballistics. A weapon belonging to one of Dog Eye's men. Do you know Charlie Pang?
Wait, how did you get Charlie Pang's gun?
Never mind. Can you use it?
Alright, meet me. I'm on my way.
Andrew? What are you doing here? Where's Raymond?
This is something I wanted to handle personally, Wei. Do you have Charlie Pang's gun?
Yeah.
I'm sure you've noticed that guns are something of a rarity in Hong Kong. Not like in the States. This particular gun is quite important.
So who's the dead guy?
I was hoping you'd help me with that, actually. Officer Shen, take up a firing position. Okay, you ready? All right, listen. It's simple. We'll have to recreate the fight.
You think you can rip me off? Whoa! Hang on! Let's just talk about this. Fuck you! Let's go!
Damn it! I'm gonna wait.
First, he was in cover behind the barricade. Get down behind that barrier. Good. I want you to put some bullets in a few things. Good. By now, the van must have appeared on the scene. Then he must have run to over there. Shooting at the guys over there. There was the shooter. Firing shots from the passenger window. But he couldn't get a clean shot, so he pushed forward. Keep going, come on. One more thing. He would have tried to get away, but Charlie disabled the car. Your weapon, officer. Good firing, Wei.
Penju! What are you doing?
I told you he wasn't important. Now he is. He's going to help us nail Charlie Pang. It's for the greater good, Wei. You understand?
I don't think I do, sir.
Wei, I know who you are. You're just like me. You do what must be done. Local PD is on their way. You should go.
What the fuck's going on? Dog Eye shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬, everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發. Listen up! We're hitting his sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks move through that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. COR runs the operation. Put that Gaton in the shallow grave. 你等緊乜嘢啊？走啊！
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suha alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay. Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Get in.
Dog Guy's gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun. You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there. And we need Sue while alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, are you insane?
But you want me unarmed.
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun and use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. As far as I'm concerned, there's only one test that matters.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eye's drug dealers to prove it? All right? It'll be my pleasure. Here's the plan. Go to the back door. I'll look around and wait for my signal to attack.
What? You seen the new Caribbeans?
I know him. He's part of Winston's. Fucking get him.
揼出你啊，死僆仔！
Hey, what's this problem? Did you hear? Can you do something? There's a hooker called
Who the fuck is this?
哎呀，點啊？ 踢仆街啊！我哋可以做到啲嘅，跟佢啊！我班打佢老母啊！喐佢啊！係啊，夾住佢啊！
Fuck. Siwa, you're coming with me.
Fuck you! You're not taking me alive! Ah! All right, light it up! Oh, come on! Stop goddamn taking me! Fuck! Shit! 仆街走啦喂！你俾啲佢哋，run!
Fuck's sake.
Those dog guys is gonna kill you, asshole! 走啦 Guys! Help me! Fuck you! God damn it! Let go of me! What are you doing? You're fucking with the wrong people! God damn it! Let go of me! Don't move!
Shit!
I said, don't move!
Fucking cops.
Let go of me! Ah! Fuck!
Are you fucking done?
Okay, I'm done.
Shut up.
That was fucking crazy! See you. Nice to motherfucking meet you. From tonight on, your partnership with Dog Eyes is done. Take a ride with me. We can talk about the terms of your new partnership. You did good. Here, a little token of my respect. Keep this up and there's a lot more. I get the feeling things are looking up for the Water Street boys.
Thanks, boss.
Hey, man. Look, I don't do this often. But, I'm sorry, I was wrong about you. You show your true colors tonight, brother.
insult me? That car's crap.
Let me fix my car up. Then I'll take you. Easy.
Fine. It's your funeral. Not much. You? How's your dad? I told you. That's something you can do first, all right? Coming in soon? I'll tell you about it later. Pick you up on the corner?
Shit. Naz.
How's the race second, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy weighs shit? Supposed to be Sun On Yi.
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away?
Sun On Yi's in trouble if he is.
I'm 18K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace. Talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't no one hit him. Telling people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. He races me, they'll be scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Yes.
Inspector, it's Way. Hotshot's gonna race Ace. And he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where it went?
Not yet. Hey, one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Nas suspect I'm a cop.
Nas Singh?
Shit. Naz.
How's the race second, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy weighs shit? Supposed to be Sun On Yi.
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away?
Sun On Yi's in trouble if he is.
I'm 18K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace. Talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't no one hit him. Telling people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. He races me, they'll be scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Yes.
Inspector, it's Way. Hotshot's gonna race Ace. And he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where it went?
Not yet. Hey, one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Nas suspect I'm a cop.
Nas Singh, the drug smuggler?
Know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HKPD. He's the one that put us on to Hotshot in the first place.
Fucking guy's playing both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No. I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Nas myself.
All right, Way, all right. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.
Try them. You have to.
捅佢啦！我斬咗佢手快啊
Son of a bitch!
我當你人好愛咁啦！捅佢啊！對佢啊！打佢！水撚佢！你㗎！好冇啊！撚靚仔！哇！咁彪啊！你我哋睇唔睇到啊？一塊面都屌你咁撚靚仔！跟住隻手啊大金彪！屌你老味！劈柒啊！插撚死條撚嘢！我頭兩個佢嚼我啊！跌咗佢身度！睇路啊，麥炳！頂佢啦，豬仔！搞翻下佢！我咁啊，你搞錯咗！兄弟，打龍殘廢！收皮！幫我斬咗佢隻眼！靚仔！一齊上啊！哇！重重有水。命長啊！係時候做嘢啦！過衝啊 ！Hey you! You want something cheap? Hey, it's a bargain. What you want?
搞我得唔得啊，大佬？我同你無冤無仇，點解要搞我喎？睇住啦！
This guy wants in, he's gonna have to show me some blood on his hands.
You show your true colors tonight, brother.
You are an officer of the law.